Hello.
Hello,
Hello. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. How about you?
Oh, I'm doing
How are you?
very well, thank you. Yeah, I'm also good. Yeah, so how was your day today? What did you do?
I will tell you. Can I know your name, please?
Oh, yes. My name is Ilani.
Lani.
Yes, and what is your name?
My name is Sesikala. Sesi.
Ah,
Call me.
Sissy. Okay. That's a really beautiful name. So, Sissy, where are you from?
I am from India. Where are you from?
I am from South Africa.
Oh.
Yeah, it's very hot. It is almost summer, so it feels like I will
Oh.
die.
How many days is going there? Summer
How many?
days or
Yeah.
months into summer like there?
Um, well, in the year, it's really hot from October till March.
Oh, it's so long time. Here in
I like
India,
winter. Yeah.
here in India, summer starts from March to May, only 3 to 4 months.
Okay, but isn't it still hot even in winter in India?
Yes. Now here in winter is starting now. It is starting.
Oh, that's really nice though. Now you can cool down.
Yes.
And tell me, Sissy, what do you do? Are you working? Are you a student? What do you do?
I am a housewife.
Oh, difficult work. Such a hard job. It's cooking, it's cleaning, it's looking after kids. Oh, yeah,
Yes.
the work
Yes,
never
I'm doing
ends.
lot of work. Yes, you are right.
Wow, but that is so nice. And do you have children?
Yes, I have children. I have one baby girl.
Oh, that's so cute. How old is she?
She is now 3 years old now.
Oh, wow, that is amazing. Yeah, that's really nice. Um, and tell me, Sissy, why are you learning English?
Yes, I want to improve my English like vocabulary
Mm,
and pronunciation.
yeah,
I want to
okay.
teach children here.
Oh, that's amazing. But I have to say, Sissy, your pronunciation is very good. I am
Thank you.
impressed. So well done. Woo!
Thank
How long have you been learning English?
In Cambly for past 3 months, I'm learning in
Okay.
Cambly. I am practicing regularly with the native speakers.
Mm,
That's
yeah,
in,
I think it's a good. Mhm.
yes, I improved a lot.
Wow. And like, okay, so you do Cambly lessons. Um, and before Cambly, did you learn any English?
Yes, I learned from my school in
Mm.
schooling and college.
Okay, yeah. Okay, well, that's really nice though. Yeah, but like I said, your pronunciation is very good, Sissy, so good job.
Thank
Um,
you.
um, And before you became a housewife, did you work?
Yes. No, before
Oh,
I got
mhm,
married, I am not doing any work. I completed my
mhm.
engineering here.
Yeah. Okay,
Then,
wow, you studied engineering.
yes, engineering.
Wow. Okay. And but you never now you're just a housewife. Do you think you would like to work as an engineer when your daughter goes to school?
Yes, after my completed my studies, I got married.
Mm,
So after my BTech, after my engineering, I want to
mm,
do my MS, master's degrees in other countries. It's not possible after my marriage. And also now I'm
yeah.
practicing my to improve my English in situation.
Mm, yeah.
I think it's
Well,
the right time
yeah.
to practice.
Yeah, continue. um, But I think it's a good thing because if you want to go study your master's degree or you want to start working in the future, being
Yes.
able to speak English can give you a very good opportunity, a good job. So it's a good thing.
And I know about you, what you are doing, what is your profession, what is your work.
Well, I am only an online teacher. I
Okay,
work for two different companies. So I work for Cambly and then I work
okay,
for a Chinese company too.
okay. It is online class. You teach
Yes,
in
yes.
okay,
Um, yeah, I only work online and I'm very lucky and very fortunate. Fortunate, it
oh,
means you
that
are
is me.
lucky. You are lucky. It's a good thing for me. Yeah. So I
See
am
my
very
baby.
fortunate. Oh my goodness. Hello. Hello. Oh, you are such a
Hello.
beautiful girl.
Hi, Japu. Hi. Hi.
Wave a
Japu.
little bit. She looks adorable. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. I love kids. Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, do you teach her English or not yet?
Yes. Yes, I'm teaching her some rhymes
Mm,
and
yeah,
some words to her.
I think that is great.
She is
Yeah,
so
like,
intelligent.
mm,
She is so intelligent to catch every word and remember everything.
wow. But I read one day an article and they said if you want to teach a child a new language, the best time is when they are 3 years old because
Oh,
their mind, it takes everything.
ye- yes.
You should let her watch Paw Patrol, Peppa Pig. Uh,
What it is?
it is children's stories, but it is
Okay.
educational.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's a good way for her to learn English words and it's
Oh,
fun. Yeah,
yes.
so she won't get bored.
You teach to children, kids.
I have some children I teach at Cambly, but not really. Um, I only
Okay.
teach adults actually. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but I used to be a teacher at an international school in Thailand. That's
Oh,
why I know. Like, and show her the magic school bus. Very cute. Magic school bus. Um,
oh,
it really helps. Yeah, I hope she will like it.
Yes,
And
she's saying some times now. Johnny, Johnny, yes,
ah,
Papa.
yes, mama. What eating sugar? No, Papa.
Yes,
um, and tell me, where in India are you from, Sissy?
I am from south part of India. You have been India?
No, I have not. Unfortunately, because I love Indian food.
Yeah. Oh, what you like here, India's
um,
food?
what do you call it? Korma chicken? Korma?
Oh, yes,
Butter
yes, kurma.
chicken. And I love roti. Roti with everything.
Oh, yeah. South Africa. So people are having rotis.
Yes. Yeah, and
Yes,
naan. Yeah.
naan. Yes, butter naan.
Yeah. Um, I went with my friend. She's an Indian. And she took me to
Oh,
an Indian restaurant and she taught me how to eat like with your hands. And then I
yes,
fell in love with Indian food. Oh,
yes.
it is
Everyone
amazing.
eat with the fingers to get strength to eat with fingers.
Why do they eat with their fingers? Like, why did that start?
Yeah, from beginning, everyone eat with hands, with their fingers. I told to my baby, eat with your hand. You get most very uh, like strength. Don't eat with
Um,
spoon. You eat only with
okay.
your hands.
Mm.
You get more
Well,
strength.
well, I like it. I just like eating with my hands because I can get dirty and not care.
Yes. Okay.
um,
Uh, you have interest to write novels?
oh yes, definitely. Yeah, I love it.
Oh, which novels you are like?
Oh, me, which novels I like? So you can say
Yes.
which novels do you like? Um, I like romantic books. Oh, I
Oh,
love romance. I love Nicholas Sparks. I
oh,
don't know if you know him.
oh,
If if you have time, go and read his books. Oh, it is so cute, so full of love. It's amazing.
oh, oh, it's
And
good thing.
do,
It
do
gets
you like reading?
yes. I love novels which are
Mm,
very funny and like fiction stories like that.
mm.
I
Yeah,
like.
I also prefer fiction. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
but you said you love only, yeah, what is this? Romantic stories.
I read a lot of books, but my favorite is romantic novels. Yeah,
Yeah.
but I also like novels that are based on true stories, like something that really happened, but then they made a story about it. Yeah, so
Yeah,
based on true stories. Based on
yeah.
true
It
stories.
is very, you like true stories. And also I
Yes.
love very, very well love stories. I have interest.
Hmm. And do you like reading English or do you read your language?
I like English.
Huh? I am impressed. It's a very good way to improve your
Yes.
English.
Yes.
If you want, there is a website called Wattpad. You can
Okay.
read English books for free on there. It is amazing.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
I'll
And it's for free and they have funny stories like humor. They have sad stories, historical. Yeah. So you can choose.
Sure.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, the time. Cece, it was so nice to meet you, and I hope to
Nice.
see you again.
Bye.
Bye-bye,
Nice to
Susie.
nice to meet you.
You too. Bye-bye.